Hey guys, it's your boy, and I'm back here with another video with another product review. And this, once again, is sponsored by our friends at DHgate. So today, I'm bringing you the Time Youth smartwatch 1.28 screen. It's from store Youth1 store. And guys, it comes at a great price. I'm not kidding you. This smartwatch is only $89.15. And again, whenever you buy in bulk from DHgate, you do save money. But for one single watch, smartwatch, it is only $89.15. So what does this watch have? I'll tell you. It has a heart rate monitor, DIY face, multiple sport mode, message push for Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat, pedometer music control, remote camera. On top of it, it's also IP68 waterproof. And the best thing, guys, it ships from the US. So literally, I placed this order Saturday, and today, Monday, it came in. So let's get into it and check it out. So in the box, you get the watch face, the silicone bands, and you get the magnetic charging cable and the user manual. And this is super simple to set up. So you scan the QR code, download the app onto your iOS device or your Android device, and that's pretty much it. And the setup process is all through the app. So the straps have these clasps that you will definitely need to pull in order to install. To power on, side button for 3 seconds. And you will get a message saying, hello. How awesome is that? So it does not come charged. I charged it for a little bit, only for this review. But let's put this clasp on. A little tricky to put on, but once it's in there, it's secure. And then let's try the second one. So this actually works if you're both left or right-handed, as you're able to alternate. All right. So charging cable, magnetic, and the pair, super simple. You download the app, you go to add device, oh, and there you go. And there, that's simple. And again, you are able to change the watch faces. So this is the one I currently have. If you want more watch faces, you are able to change it to many watch faces, and as well download more watch faces. So this is only $89.15. It's a metallic outer casing. The screen is very bright, as you could tell. For $89.15, you cannot beat the price. Again, this is from DHgate, shipping from their US warehouses, and shipping time is up to 3 to 7 days, which is almost a part of Amazon, and you cannot beat the price. Again, thank you so much, guys. Peace out.